Okay, we're back 12 hours later after the foggy morning in Bradenton, Florida. The sun broke through at about 11 a.m. and it stayed sunshiny until about 5 p.m. and then the fog started to reappear. It just got damp and funky smelling and misty, and now at 8 p.m. this is where we're at. This is just how foggy it is in West Bradenton, Florida, Monday, December 30th at 8 p.m.
This is Daytona Beach Shores, Florida at 1:45 p.m. today, and you can see the fog rolling in from two directions, but not in the middle part here where I'm about to show you. And then the next video that's about to come up right after this one is the balcony view, and you can't even see the ocean at all. And you can see this big ring here, very strange, and it all just happened in a matter of about 15 minutes. Keep in mind there's no rain forecasted. It's not very cold outside. This is just very unusual to see and a very random time for fog to just appear. This is Daytona Beach Shores, Florida.
What if I told you the thick fog that settles over the UK after Christmas isn't just weather, but something far more sinister? Every year, the post-Christmas fog lingers across towns and cities, and while most think it's normal winter weather, some believe it's a deliberate event. The theory suggests the fog acts as a delivery system, laced with chemicals, designed to weaken immune systems. Why? To drive up demand for medications, vaccines, and healthcare services. The timing is perfect. After the holidays, when people are already vulnerable from gatherings and overindulgence, the sudden spike in winter bugs could be more than just coincidence. Others theorize the fog could be part of a mass experiment, testing biological agents, or even manipulating the population psychologically. The question isn't just whether the fog is natural, but what's hiding within it. Next time the fog rolls in after Christmas, ask yourself, is it just weather or something more?
This fog mystery is still continuing across the United States. The following two videos are from Oklahoma and Georgia, and the witnesses captured an onset of the fog. But again, they state it's different. It's almost like there's particles in the air, and it's leaving them feeling sick because there's something definitely going on, and reports are flooding in from different people experiencing this fog, and they can't see anything outside. They can't see the sky, nothing in front of them. And there's one interesting report that I have to mention that was sent to me by an anonymous person. He states that he was outside looking at the fog when he noticed somebody in dark clothing walking around. So he approached them and asked them what he was doing, and the man stated he was looking for a gas leak, but then proceeded to get into an unmarked vehicle and leave. That's weird. Take a look at this and let us know what you're experiencing.
So you may be wondering if holograms can be projected into fog or smoke. Well, with all the fog going around, it could be man-made, it could be natural, who knows, but holograms can be projected into smoke or fog with the use of a projector that displays the image onto the screen of fog that was created with an artificial fog machine or even natural fog. This method works indoors as well as outdoors. Scientists have even figured out how to manipulate nearly unseen specks in the air and use them to create 3D images that are more realistic and clearer than holograms. So if you don't think that there's something nefarious behind all of this new fog, then think again, because what we are going through could possibly be just test runs of what's to come. So don't always believe everything you see.